So you've been in the position of coming into lead Travelocity through a pretty tough time with lots of different market dynamics this year than in previous years, the removal of airline fees, a very competitive environment. What are you doing to try to turn some of the trends around for you and start to gain some market share against your competitors?
Well, first of all, I think I've taken over a great asset and a great group of people. But we're focused on what most others are focused on, which is improving our conversion, improving our traffic, and making sure that we're serving customers effectively.
So with the new price guarantee, do you see that as being differentiated enough from Orbitz's price assurance? And do you think that consumers really understand the relatively subtle differences between the two programs?
Yeah, I think the guarantees are there to fundamentally tell consumers that it's okay to book OTAs, and that because they're going to get the best pricing. The reason we're able to put these in place is simply because we do have good pricing, right? So with that, whether they can discern a price protection guarantee in flight versus hotel, I suspect it's hard for them to do it, but the overarching goal is to just reassure them that we're a place they can book and they can feel confident they're getting the best price.
Let's talk about some of the international trends. I think a lot of the discussion has been very North America focused. Can we talk about your international strategy a bit?
Absolutely, sure. I think one of the growth engines for us is going to be Europe and Asia. Let me take Asia first. We expect to see high double-digit growth out of our Zuji property. So we're in 5 or 6 different countries in Asia. We've refocused our strategy that we're doubling down in the larger markets and putting investment into Zuji. Europe, a great brand, very good traffic, and our focus has been putting in a new platform to improve conversion. And now that we're just on the cusp of rolling that out, we have been rolling it out over the last couple of months, and we have more work to do there. We expect to see the improvements in profitability, which we've been pushing on, and then seeing top-line growth.
Could you talk a little bit about the media strategy and the products that you're offering for supplier partners and other travel companies on Travelocity.com?
Sure. Media is all about the consumer and the partner, right, and the supplier partner, making sure that we are giving consumers what they need, and at the same time offering supplier partners differing types of opportunities to engage with those consumers. So we've seen dramatic growth in our media business. It's now a very substantial piece of our revenue stream and earnings stream. So I think it's one of those triple wins where it's good for the customer, it's good for the supplier, and it's good for Travelocity Global.